Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video we're going to be looking at brand new trading setups for Bitcoin. And I believe a big move for Bitcoin is due very soon because the markets have been super boring, and I highly believe that in the upcoming days Bitcoin will experience a drastic move. So we're going to prepare from today onwards so we're not late into any trading opportunity. But guys, thanks so much for watching. If you do like this video, make sure to smash up that like button. Let's jump into the charts immediately because it's looking pretty interesting. So let's have a look. Now, Bitcoin is trading currently at $27,226. Now, I'm personally using Bitflex to trade, and we're running the $1,000 trading challenge. Of course, I trade on my own as well, but for the channel, we're doing a $1,000 trading challenge, and I will open the trades on the video just for this 1K trading challenge that we're trying to push to as much as possible. Now, it's not been long, and unfortunately, we started when the market has been, pretty boring. So let's see, it may take a while, but when the bull market comes, my prediction being next year before the halving, then we could explode that portfolio, of course, diversify into potential altcoins that could do a lot of money too, and I will share those in my videos, so make sure to stay tuned for that. Now, I'm looking at a brand new potential pattern, and this is a falling wedge. Now, falling wedges are usually bullish for Bitcoin. We really need to remember these very key levels of resistance and support. So the drastic one, right? The drastic one is at the $26,600 level. If I switch to this chart, which I switched to bars and made them white because it's much more clear to see in my opinion, the levels that we really need to look out for is the $31,000 level, which is the prior swing high. And for the downside, after the 26.6K, which if we break again, it will be pretty drastic, then the next two take profits I'm going to have for a potential short position will be at 25.2K and 24.2K. Now, if I show you this, you're going to be mind blown if you haven't watched the videos before. We're actually at the 200 period moving average and EMA ribbon support. Now, I've talked about this in the previous video, so I'm not going to bore you too much with it. Basically, whenever the EMA ribbons begin to squeeze, it usually will cross over. It usually brings the price towards it, and then we see a massive catapulting move towards the upside if the EMA ribbons are crossing bullish, or we see a catapulting move towards the downside if they are crossing bearish. Now, in this case, we're lucky because they're crossing bullish, so this could be an interesting move, but again, I want to break above the 31K. And if we want to enter into a trade before and not wait for that swing high break, then what we could watch out for is, of course, the resistance of this falling wedge. Now, we've been in a bearish trend these past couple of weeks because we've been forming lower highs, and of course, that indicates a bearish trend in the short term. So that is not good. However, if we break this level once again, then I do believe we can head back to the prior swing high at $31,000, which we will probably face some important level of resistance. So today, the first trade that I actually want to set is a break above this falling wedges level of resistance. So that's going to be at the around the 27.8K level. Now, I'm hesitant to enter this trade today. I'll probably enter this trade in the upcoming videos. So again, stay tuned for that. But what I will set today, right, for today's video is another short position if we break the $26,300 level. So this will be critical. We would have tested this level of support a tremendous amount of times, like we've come down a lot in the previous weeks, and this support is just very, very weak. Now, because it's weak, I'm going to set a conditional short from the 26.25K. So if we check Bitflex, this is the exchange that we want to look at. So what is important is that we find the exact value of price on this exchange, because the thing is, right, if you're trading on different exchanges and you have a different TradingView chart, then the prices can differ ever so slightly. So if we have a look, this trend line is basically at the same level, so like the $26,250 level, and I'm going to set a conditional short position at this 26,250. So what we do is we go to conditional, and since this is a $1,000 trading challenge, and so far we had some good trades, we had a bad trade, it's okay. With risk management, you don't really lose much, so we've only lost like $18. That's fine. We've only done like a couple of trades so far. Now I want to put the trigger price at 26,250, and the order price is going to be exactly same. So we do 26,250 250, and boom. I want to do so. The way we're going to adjust our leverage is going to be based on our stop loss. So I'm going to jump into, well, we're going to stay on this chart. We're going to short at this level. And as I mentioned on this graphic over here, we're going to put our two take profits at the 25.2 and 24.2. Now, remember, guys, nothing in this video is financial advice whatsoever. So please do your own TA before trading or investing. I'm just showing you what I'm personally doing, so I highly recommend going out and doing your own TA before jumping into any position whatsoever. This is super, super important. Never rely on anyone else. Understand what they're doing and then compare it with what you're personally going to do and come to your own conclusions. That is super critical. Now, I'm jumping back to this chart. So we have our first take profit at 25.2K. That's perfect. And we want to keep a tight stop loss. So the stop loss is going to be at this place exactly. And I can get rid of this now so it's not going to crowd my chart up. Now, our take profit, as I said, is going to be at the 25.2. So we could just adjust it manually ourselves to the 25.2 over there. So perfect. Now we have almost a 3-to-1 trade. Now we have a 1.28% stop loss. So I don't want to risk too much. So I'm going to only do 10x leverage. And of course, we're only going to risk 10% of our trading portfolio. So we copied that there. We have 10% of our portfolio. We will put our take profit and stop loss after the position is triggered. So we just press open short. Our order value is almost $1,000. So boom, open short. So our liquidation is going to be very high. So perfect. That's not going to hit before we get stopped out, hopefully. So conditional order, there we go. So we have an order set now at 26.25, and we will put our take profit and stop loss manually after this trade is activated. And I will update you guys on the free Telegram channel for that. So stay tuned over there. By the way, if you want to trade exactly like me, you can sign up to Bitflex on the link in the description below. There is no KYC, so you can jump ahead over there and use the link to sign up to Bitflex. And if you want to join my free Telegram channel, then you can join there as well. It's right over here. So perfect. A quick news that I wanted to share with you guys. So Biden finally signed the debt ceiling deal into law and preventing the US from defaulting on its debt for the first time. Now, after this news, the S&P pumped and we broke out of this ascending triangle. So that is bullish for the S&P 500. However, this is not reflecting on Bitcoin's price as much as it should. So that is what is worrying me. So now Bitcoin is discorrelated from the stock market. So it's kind of doing its own thing at the moment. But let's see. Bitcoin is not looking like the same as the S&P. The S&P looks fairly bullish. Let's see how the markets open up tomorrow. And guys, by the way, I started making a Turkish channel just very lately. And if you want to subscribe, if you are a Turkish viewer, you can go ahead and watch my Turkish channel because I do it in full Turkish. I've only done like 2 videos so far, but do check it out if you are Turkish. Now, guys, that's pretty much it for me today. I've just been trying to arrange this 20K giveaway for the past week. I will do it, I promise, to next week. So I will upload the vlog, right? If you guys remember, I was hinting that I'm going to do a vlog. So the vlog will be posted. The giveaway will be done next week. Hopefully, I'll be done with a majority of my exams also next week at the same time, and a bunch more cool content will follow. Also, go to my Instagram. It's CryptoKid. I will be doing the giveaway there at the same time as well. So you'll be alerted as soon as everything happens. Just needed to finalize things this week. But guys, thanks so much for watching. Take care, everyone, and I will see you all in the next video very soon. Take care, guys, and bye-bye.